Hi pawb, gobeithio bod chi'n cadw'n saff ac yn iach yn y cyfnod anodd yma. Dim ond Neges i ddeud, mae'n bwysig iawn bod ni yn cadw at rheola llywodraeth efo self-distancing, ond mynd allan ar gyfer pethau hanfodol. Ond mae hefyd yn bwysig bod ni'n edrych ar ôl yn hunan hefyd, gorfforol ac yn feddyliol. Un o'r pethau fyddai'n mwynhau wneud ydy, ar gyfer fy ymarfer corff y diwrnod, fyddai'n licio cymryd mantais o'r lle da ni'n byw. Da ni'n ddigon lwcus i allu byw mewn gwlad ofnadwy o hyfryd. Felly dwi ar funud ar yn one exercise a day, a dwi wedi mynd am dro ochrau Porthmadog, sydd 5 munud o lle dwi'n byw. A mae'n ddiwrnod ofnadwy o braf. Mi wna i ddangos y golygfa ddech chi rwan. Felly dyma ni, mae'n ddiwrnod bendigedig. Dwi ddigon ffodus i allu dod yma fel ymarfer corff unwaith y diwrnod. Felly, ia, gobeithio bod chi'n cadw'n saff. Gnewch y mwyaf o'r tywydd, cofiwch wisgo eli haul gan bod yr haul yma yn ofnadwy o boeth ar y funud. SPF 30 dwi ddefnyddio mwyn sicrhau mod i ddim yn llosgi. Felly, ia, cadwch y saff a welwn i chi fuan. Hi everyone, hope you're all keeping safe in this scary and weird time. Just a quick reminder to tell you all, please stick to the rules that the government have laid out. Self-distancing, only going out for your essential shopping. One exercise day of course, which is what I'm doing right now. So we are very lucky to live in this wonderful country with amazing views nearly everywhere we go. So I'm going to show you where I am now. So this is where I am now. So I'm about 5 minutes from where I live. I'm in Porthmadog. I'm doing my one exercise a day and it's lovely, lovely weather. So yeah, so I'm very lucky to live around here. So I would tell you to go for a walk, do some exercise. It's good for your heart, it's good for your body, good for your mind. It's important that we all keep our distancing whilst on these walks as well. Also make sure that you wear sunscreen. It's a really hot day today, so I'm wearing SPF 30 to make sure that I won't burn and my skin is healthy. So yeah, keep safe and hopefully this will be all over soon and we'll be able to get back to our different activities and projects. Keep safe.